Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the AudioWow playback and recording interface. So let's go! When a recording is completed, it will be played back automatically. You can also find previous recordings in the recording list in the upper left corner of the main interface. iOS systems need to click the Save button to save to the local album manually, while Android systems will save recordings to the local album automatically. You can click the Trash Can button or the bottom in the upper right corner of the list to delete multiple recordings. Quick tip: it is not recommended to use the Share function as the file may be greatly compressed. Click the CC button on the playback interface, select the language, and then generate subtitles or text. The generated subtitles can be edited and can be exported after editing. You can export text-only videos with or without subtitles. Now you know how to playback and record using the AudioWow interface. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact support@sabinetech.com. Thanks for watching.